Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of Steam users have. How do you change your name on Steam? Whether you're looking to refresh your gaming persona or correct a typo, I've got you covered. So, let's jump right into it. A couple of quick tips to remember. Your Steam account name, the one you log in with, cannot be changed. What we will change today is your profile name, which is what other people see on Steam. Okay, first things first, let's open up your Steam client. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner where you see your current username. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select View Profile. On your profile page, you'll see a button on the right side that says Edit Profile. Clicking that will take you to a page where you can customize a bunch of different things about your profile. Look for the Profile Name field. This is where you'll enter your new name. Keep in mind, this name isn't unique, so you can pick anything that reflects your current gaming vibe. After typing in your new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. And that's it. Your Steam profile name is now updated. There you have it. Changing your name on Steam is as easy as that. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming guides and tips. Have any questions or other topics you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. Until next video, happy gaming, always find time for friends and family, and I'll see you all